Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing what I received in my BoxyCharm box. This is the deluxe. So I just received it yesterday. So I decided to open it in front of you guys to see what we think about it. I usually always just get the little one. A friend of mine's actually just received it and I saw that she got some pretty good stuff. I mean, she got like a little hair straightener and some other little stuff. So let's see what we get. Let's see. So this is what it looks like. Just like that. Let's see. So I have both of my girls napping. So take advantage and do this video. Let's see. First things first, we have our little BoxyCharm pamphlet. So it says here that this is what I'll be receiving. Let's see if it's true.
So let's see. So it looks like we should be getting a rose gold complete face brush set from Luxe. That's $65. A glitter lip paint from Tarte. That's $20. A Pro HG palette from Violet Boss. That's $45. A body wash infused buffer from Spongel. No clue how the hell you say that. That's $20. A Pro Collagen Marine Cream from Elmies. That's $85. A Dusk to Dawn blush and highlight palette from Wonder Beauty. That's $26. And a Pro Pomade mascara from Lorac. That's $24. A mini hair straightener. That's $75 from PYT. And a wristlet, which is also a portable charger from Crimes of Beauty. That's $22. So let's open it up and see what we think about everything.
I need snacks because now that everybody's asleep, I can have a snack. Let me know if you guys like these. These are the freaking best. These are the best chips. Literally ever. Literally. Okay. So let's see. So this is the PYT. It's a girl's world. This is the hair straightener. This actually could come in handy though. You know, cause I don't have a lot of hair and I'm actually losing a lot of hair. Like a lot. Probably might be freaking going blind. I mean, bald. That's the word. Oh, it's so cute. It's beauty. So this is what it looks like. It's like a lavender. Pretty cute. It is portable, so you can just put it in your pocket. Let's get out of here. So I'm gonna go put it back. Put it back like that. In case I want to gift it for Christmas, you know. Usually any little thing I don't really use, just gift it for like birthday parties. Or right now that Christmas is coming up. Just gift it, I mean, what the heck. Don't let it go to waste. So we'll do that. It's got hair. I'm telling you, I'm losing a whole bunch of hair. Like, literally, I'm losing a lot of hair. Like, I can probably go like this. Yep, there's hair. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's hair. And literally, I can literally make a weave out of all the hair that's falling. So we have the Tarteist lip paint. What color is this? This is in Strike of Gold. I don't know if I want a gold color on my lips, honestly, but let's see. Oh, it's actually pretty. Look at this. Oh, it's not gonna focus. Right here. Alright. I like this. Cute. Let's see what's this. This is the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. It's this color black. This is the wand. That's alright. We can give it a try. I hear my daughter waking up. This is the multi-use body wash infused buffer. That's kind of cool. It says the benefits, it's a body wash plus the buffer, dermatologist tested, formulated with extracts of yuzu. The hell is that? No clue. Let's open it and see what it smells like. That smells good. Just a little star. We'll put that over here. Oh, this is that the cream. Let's see. Apply every morning to cleanse dry skin. If contact with eyes, rinse thoroughly. Okay. To anti-aging cream. So this is what it looks like. Dang, I already applied moisturizer. I think it's too bright. You guys hear me, baby? I'll keep this. Pretty decent size. Let's see what it smells like. She usually cries and then goes back to sleep. That's why I'm not getting her, so don't think I'm like a bad parent. That smells really, really refreshing actually. So we'll give this a try tomorrow and see if we like it. So up next is the Luxe Complete Face Set. So it comes with a round top, blender, a tapered highlight, pro precision brush, a tapered blending brush, eye shading brush, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. It's super cute. This is super cute actually. You know, it's really good for like a gift. Oh, so this is what it looks like. See, we're almost done. I'm gonna go get my daughter in a bit. Okay. Violet Boss Eye Pro eyeshadow. Oh, something like. Give me a second. Let me go get my daughter.
Okay, so I'm back. I had to go get my daughter because she was crying. So now she's in the little jumper thing. And go. Remember, Violet Boss eyeshadow palette. This is the HG. I think I have like one eyeshadow palette from her that I got like a while ago. I can't open it. There's this little thing I'm used at. So it's wrapped neatly.
Cute in here. Okay, let's see. Wow. Is this the one I have? I don't know. But look at the mirror on this. How cute. And this is the palette. This is super cute, and the names are super cute. Like one of them is Are You Kitten Me? So Jelly on Fleek. Hashtag Thanks a Latte Bestie. Awesome Sauce. Bat My Eyes. Okay, So tomorrow I'll be doing a look on this with this palette only and see what it looks like and see how it works out for me. So we'll do that tomorrow. I'm gonna actually leave it here just so I know I have to use it tomorrow. This is garbage. Okay, and then our next one is our Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. This is what the box looks like. The packaging is super cute. So they have 3 different shades: City Lights, Havana Nights, Tuscan Sunrise. Let's see. Cute. Okay, so it also comes with like a little mirror. And then these are the 3 shades. Let me see if I can put it like right here. Oh, it's not focusing. Maybe like right there. So these are super cute. So we'll try these also tomorrow, the highlighting part. We'll try it with that palette. And then this is the Glam AF pouch, wristlet type of thing. It says it comes with a portable charger, so let's see how this works out. Okay. Oh my god, it's one of those. I think you just place it on, I think you just like place your phone on top of it. I think. Let me read the instructions. It says dual charger, USB input, USB output, Android or iPhone, Type-C adapter. So maybe not. Where does this go? Oh, okay. So this, this goes here. So this goes here. I'm guessing. Huh. No clue. USB output. Oh, to charge it, maybe? I don't know. These are the only instructions that it gives me. I don't really know. I'm not good at these things, okay? I don't know. Eventually I'll ask my husband and he'll figure it out because I have no clue. But it's cute. Oh, excuse me. Oh no, I'm sorry. So it's like a little wristlet, so you can just wear it like this. I don't think I'll be wearing it, honestly. It's not my style. I can probably put like a diaper or 2 in here. And some wipes, like a small pouch of wipes, and it has like this little bag in here also. So I guess I can do it. Okay, well that was all I received on the BoxyCharm deluxe or Luxie box or whatever the hell it's called. So this is the big one that's I believe $23. So I got the straightener, an eyeshadow palette, the face brushes, a sponge, a face cream, a lip gloss, a mascara, a blush highlighter set, and this little bag with a portable charger. So I don't think it's that bad because I know that the Violet Boss is kind of pricey, and then I also know that the Luxie face set is also pretty pricey as well. So I don't feel that bad. This is the first time. I know you get it every 3 months. So if you're interested, definitely go check it out and let me know if you guys like it. Tomorrow you'll see a video of me trying out these 2 little palettes so I can give you guys some options of how to wear it. Let me know if you guys want to see 2 different looks. I'll probably end up doing 2 different looks. A daytime type of look and like a nighttime, like a going out type of look. I don't usually do a lot of nighttime going out type of looks because I have 2 daughters. I don't have enough time. I would want to say I don't have a lot of time. I usually focus more on them, getting them ready, than focusing on myself. As you saw in my previous videos, all I usually do is like light makeup, and if I'm gonna go out, I usually add some falsies. Gotta go, my kid's crying. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys are liking these videos, because I'm a newbie and nobody's teaching me how to do anything, and I don't know. So I'm just learning as I go. So don't judge me that hard, please. But see you guys later.